Here's how to order from Baru. The first cabinet on the left side is a tall oven microwave combination. So we'll choose this one and we'll configure it in the dimensions required. So 30 inches by 24 by 90 tall. We're using a white melamine and a high gloss white material. It'll be delivered fully assembled, ready to install. 4-inch toe kick height, 3-inch toe kick depth, adjustable feet, front and back. And this one will need a finished end panels on both sides because they're exposed. No adjustments on the door reveals. And the opening height, let's say 30, we'll make this, let's see, 30 inches should be good for the lower door height. Actually, it should probably be 20 inches lower door height, and then that'll be 24 inches up. And then the opening, I'm not sure about the opening. This needs to be verified, but the opening for an oven and a microwave, call it 40 inches, and the rest of it will be cabinet doors. So this will need to be verified at prior to. But what I've just done is I've written special instructions for an engineer to review this particular cabinet prior to the machine instructions getting issued. This is cab. These are notes for the customer. Number one of range. Cabinet one left of the range. So here we've got a price, and we can add that to the cart. The next cabinet is a base cabinet with 2 doors and 1 drawer. So this is for trash recycling pullout. This is a traditional cabinet, and this needs to be 36 inches. No, it's actually it looks like it's a 30-inch cabinet. 30-inch cabinet. And you see it maxes out at 32 inches anyhow. There's no way to create a 36-inch cabinet in this model. If, however, if in the future you ever need a cabinet that exceeds our specs, all you have to do is put the notes in the special instructions for us to review it, and we'll get back to you. We may add a new item, or we may expand the range of the engineering of that cabinet. No changes with the, we don't need finished ends. No changes with that. No changes with the reveal. And we'll stick with the standard drawer height. There's some uncertainty. This cabinet may be 36 inches wide, to be verified. So this is cabinet number 2. Add this to the order. The next cabinet is a 12-inch cabinet with 1 door hinge. Base cabinet, 1 door, 0 drawers. It's a regular cabinet. It's not a sink. Base, this cabinet, and it's 12 inches wide. Standard height, standard depth. No finished ends. And this is cabinet number 5, according to the way I've marked up the elevation. The next cabinet is a wall cabinet, and that is a right hinge wall cabinet, 12 inches wide, standard depth 30. I can't see the dimensions, but I'm going to assume it's a 36-inch height. Although if you wanted it to be a custom height, you could make it a custom height. This needs to have a finished left, no adjustments on the reveals. Okay, this is an extended door bottom for a light valence. So right now it has it'll extend down by 1 inch for lighting. And this is cabinet number 3, as I've marked it up on the elevation. So that is essentially how you create your job after you determine which cabinets you want for your client. After the order is placed and the payment has been made, we send the machine instructions and the materials to the local manufacturer. We'll coordinate with your project schedule so that we can deliver directly to the job site. It'll be blanket wrapped cabinets ready to install directly to the job site. You'll minimize the handling, you'll minimize the cost of potential damage and operating risk around damage, and it's become super easy. And the material that would be used would be the high gloss white version of this Maxi Gloss. It's really beautiful. It's a PET finish. It's super robust also. So there you go. Contact me if you have any questions.